The file has to be signed at a minimum by the Home Minister, probably by the Prime Minister. Pegasus cannot be sold to the military of a country. It is sold to the government of a country. Please read the contract. Pegasus is classified as a weapon, and that weapon is supposed to be used against terrorists. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have used this weapon against the Indian state and against our institutions. The only word for this is treason. There is no other word for this. This has to be investigated, and the Home Minister has to resign. Pegasus is classified by the Israeli state as a weapon, and that weapon is supposed to be used against terrorists. The Prime Minister and the Home Minister have used this weapon against the Indian state and against our institutions. They have used it politically, they have used it in Karnataka, they have used it to scuttle probes, they have used it against the Supreme Court, they have used it against all the institutions of this country. The only word for this is treason. There is no other word for this. Right? And this has to be investigated, and the Home Minister has to resign.
The list which has come out today on the Pegasus thing, it includes a businessman, a leading businessman whose name was there in the offset list. The inquiry is going on in France, but here the government is mum. How do you take this?
Look, I have said very clearly that there has been gross theft in Rafale. None of you people supported me. This is the truth. For whatever reason, none of you people supported me. But the truth has a way of coming out. Right? There is an inquiry in France, and you will see the Prime Minister himself is responsible for corruption in Rafale. You'll see it. Right? You can't buy everybody. You might think you can buy everybody. The Prime Minister might think he can suppress everybody. He might buy everybody. We can't. And the reason all those people, you're seeing, even in your question, you're asking a very interesting question. You're asking it in a very particular way. Why are you not asking why the CBI director's phone was not tapped? Why are you asking me about Anil Ambani? No, you can't ask me because because this is a mischievous question. The real question is, why on the last minute, when the CBI director was about to file an FIR, why was his phone tapped and why was he blackmailed? That's the real question. And who did it? That's the question. The question is not whether Anil Ambani's phone was tapped. See, so even in your questions,
it's all related.
No, but you have to ask the correct question. See, you have to ask the precise question. So the answer is, the entire Indian state is under attack. The amazing thing is, you don't know, you don't seem to understand that you are being attacked. Maybe because you're paid, maybe because you have to live with these cameras, maybe. But this is not an attack on Rahul Gandhi, this is not an attack on individuals, this is an attack on the Indian state. Are you allowed to buy Pegasus? Can I buy Pegasus? Pegasus has to be authorized by the nation state. The file has to be signed at a minimum by the Home Minister, probably by the Prime Minister. Pegasus cannot be sold to the military of a country. It is sold to the government of a country. Please read the contract. Right? It's sold from government to government. Much like Mr. Modi says the Rafale deal was a government to government deal. But then Mr. Anil Ambani is sitting in the meetings. And let me tell you another thing. I get phone calls from IB people who tap my phone. Okay, they call me up and say, please be aware that we are tapping your phone. Okay, so I also, by the way, my security people tell me, right, that they have to debrief what I say. They have to report to their seniors everything I say. So I'm under no pretensions that I'm not tapped.